In this video I will show you how to download and install the Canon Pixma TS7440 printer driver on Windows. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter Canon Pixma TS7440 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Canon support website for that printer model. The website should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, select Windows 10 from the list of operating systems provided. Look for the Downloads section on the page for your printer model. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. This typically involves agreeing to terms, selecting installation preferences, and possibly a prompt to connect your printer to the computer if it's not already connected. When prompted, connect the printer via USB, turn it on first. The installer will detect the printer and complete the setup. Restart your PC if required. The installer will then copy the necessary files and configure the printer on your system. Once the installation is finished, a confirmation message will appear. It is advisable to print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now be able to print and scan from your computer with your Canon Pixma TS7440 printer.